I'm Scorpion's Fatality, and I'm probably going to make this private and then public it later. As you can tell, I've totally worked myself into the ground on this lovely, lovely Norn head. And if you have no idea what a Norn is, please just go look it up. Creatures Wikipedia has all the information. I'm too tired to explain. Anyhow, basically Creatures Labs, Cyberlife, Mindscape, whatever. Anyhow, this is the progress. The foaming was done back in January, and the back was done in, I think, like late January, and I did the ears at the same time, and then I was low on fleece, so I had to use this old crappy fur that I had lying around. And there is actually a cleft. It's just very hard to see. Nothing is glued. I don't glue down my fur on my personal suits. Don't ask. I just do very tight seams, so the seams kind of cup the foam, though on a commission I will, in fact, glue my fur down. Anyhow, I'm not going to put him on. I'm way too tired for that. He, for right now, is not going to get new eyes. He's just going to share my other Norn head's eyes. Also, I will, in fact, do a fursuit head tutorial little thing if I get to reach 400 subscribers before Anthrocon. Yes, you heard me, a full tutorial. I doubt it's gonna happen, so yeah, I don't have to do it then. But I would not let the people choose on what head I would be making. I would be making something that I personally would want. So yeah, anyway, bye.